car,
Sir,
okay?
this vehicle is not a state property commercial vehicle. This is a private locomotive vehicle. It does.
It does not.
Okay, well, when your supervisor get here, we'll see.
Okay, that's fine. He's
Thank
coming.
you. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Sir, I'm going to ask you politely, please, to identify
Thank
yourself.
you. No, sir. No, I haven't committed no crime.
Ma'am, do you have an ID?
She's young. Don't talk to her.
I can talk. I can
No,
answer
no,
questions.
she's young. She's 16. Don't talk to
She
her.
can still have an ID at 16.
No, don't talk to her. She's 16.
All right, put your hands on the steering wheel for me.
For what?
Because I'm going to get the VIN number. Put your hands on the steering wheel for me and turn the car off.
I'm not going anywhere. I'm waiting for your supervisor.
Okay.
When your supervisor comes, man, I'm not answering no more questions when your supervisor comes. When I ask for him, that's it. We don't have to discuss anything else. We don't. When your supervisor comes, then we'll talk.
Okay, he's on his way.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
I can still conduct some of my business.
I don't want to. That's it. When I ask for your supervisor about law, that means we are done talking.
No, it doesn't.
It does.
Okay. Now, are there any weapons in the car?
Sir, I haven't committed no crime for you to be asking me all those questions, man. I'm not answering no more questions. I'm waiting for your supervisor.
Put your hands on the steering wheel.
I'm waiting for your supervisor.
Okay, put your hands on the steering
How can I do that? I'm recording you.
You can still record me. That's fine. Just put your hands on the steering wheel while I get the video.
I'm not finna do anything to you. I'm not a threat to you.
I don't know. Well,
I'm not a threat to you. You have a gun and a taser, and I don't have none of that.
You have.
What, you think I'm finna come out and shoot you?
I don't know.
Why would you profile me like that?
I'm not profiling.
You are.
I don't know who anybody is on the stop.
But I'm saying, though, why would you profile me like that, though?
You're not being profiled.
I got my daughter in the car. You asking me questions like that?
I'm asking you if there's a weapon in the car.
Oh, it's not. It's nothing like. It's not. If I did have a weapon in my car, that's my Second Amendment right, though, constitutional wise.
It is.
Okay, so.
But I still.
I'm not a threat towards you, my man.
I'm not saying you are.
Okay, but we cool. We not. I'm telling you, I'm not.
Okay, sir. I just want to get the VIN number.
Then
please.
get it, man. It's right there.
In front of the vehicle.
Why?
Because you're operating.
What?
A heavy vehicle.
What that mean?
It means that you could run me over.
Are you serious, man?
Yes, I'm serious.
You dead? So you think I'm a threat to you?
I don't know if you're a threat or not.
So you think you stand in front of my vehicle? I'm finna run you over.
I don't know.
Is that what you thinking? Is that what you thinking right now?
I do not know what.
So I'm a threat to you, and you got a gun, and you got a partner right there, where y'all can shoot me and my child.
I do not want to do that. That's the last thing we want to do.
I can't. I don't. No, that's not your record though. That's probably the first thing. Yeah. You police officers.
Okay.
Y'all do kill
Why are you profiling
Americans.
me as a police
Because
officer?
that's all over the TV. That's not a profile.
It is.
You a cop, right?
I am a police officer.
Okay, so you do kill unarmed Americans.
When you say you, what do you mean by you?
You police officers.
I do not.
You police officers kill unarmed Americans. So why would I'm not a threat to you. I got my child in the car. We finna go eat, my man.
Okay.
So you think I'm finna run you over so you can feel good on your body cam?
I don't know what you're gonna
I'm not
do.
finna do it. So
Okay,
for you and your body cam purposes, and for your partner,
Okay.
I'm not a threat towards you. You're a threat towards me.
I'm not a threat towards
You are.
You're entitled to your opinions.
No, this is a fact.
Okay.
For your questions that you ask to make it seem like that you are being harmed, or I think I'm finna harm you, it's not. We don't do that to y'all. Y'all do it to us. So you can get my VIN number.
I will not.
This is a private vehicle.
Put your hands on the steering wheel.
What? Dog, let's do common sense. I don't conduct any searches, dog. I don't conduct any searches.
Okay.
I don't conduct any searches.
Okay.
So don't search my vehicle. This is a private vehicle.
I'm not searching your vehicle.
You just looked in it.
Okay. That's not a search.
I'm just gonna wait for your supervisor to get here,
That's
dog.
fine, but I'd like to try to get the VIN number.
Dog, my vehicle is a private vehicle. That's it.
Okay.
I'm not a sovereign citizen like you call them of America. I'm a sovereign citizen of the United States, but not of America.
Okay.
There's a difference.
Okay.
Just like you're a European and a Caucasian that's not from here. That's the difference.
I'm not following your logic, but
I know you're not. I know you're not. So I'll wait for your supervisor to get here.
We're gonna wait right here.
Thank you, my man. Dang. Stop trying to look at my shit, man. Don't worry about it. That's a violation. This will already be taken care of. I just ask you don't search my vehicle, and you still violating my rights and everything. So this is, and as a matter of fact, K. Ivy and everybody else got a record of my judicial proclamations and the sheriff and the chief. So we can do this.
Okay. I'm just going to explain to you what's going to happen, okay?
Mm-hmm.
At the end of the day, we still need to identify you.
I hadn't committed no crime.
Okay. So...
And traffic stops are not crimes.
I have probable cause to stop you.
For what?
Because you don't have a tag on your vehicle. Okay, the state of Alabama allows me to stop a car that's not displaying a tag that's operating on the public roadway.
Oh my God, these are Supreme Court law cases right here, my brother.
Okay.
And I don't have to have a registered vehicle or a tag for you to stop me. This is not a crime. These are Supreme Court laws. I'm gonna show this to your supervisor. I have it right here.
How you doing, sir?
Are you a supervisor?
I'm Corporal Casper at Texas Police Department. What can I do for you?
I didn't call you guys. He stopped me because I didn't have a tag, but I was trying to let him know that I'm not a sovereign citizen of of America. I'm a sovereign citizen of the United States, and this vehicle is not a commercial vehicle.
Okay.
This is my private vehicle, and right here, these are Supreme Court case laws where I have the right to travel, and I'm traveling with my daughter to go get something to eat.
Okay.
So with that being said, he's trying to say that I don't have a tag. I don't need a tag for a non-commercial vehicle. This is my private vehicle. I have private plates.
Okay.
And my proclamation and judicial notices are already sent to Kate Ivey and everybody else in the state of Alabama and the 8 branches of government.
Okay.
So this right here shows where I'm traveling. I don't need whatever he's asking me for. I don't need these Supreme Court law cases.
Okay.
And the Constitution.
See this, please. All right. So all this right here. Who issued you the tag? What was it issued from?
This is from my Moorish American consulate.
It was issued from who?
From my Moorish American consulate.
All right. So what form of government issues that?
This is a Moorish American form of government, consulate.
Okay. So not state government.
This is not. I'm not state property.
Government?
I'm not federal. I'm not state property.
Okay. So where did you obtain the tag?
What you mean? This is from our own consulate and our government, from our own government, as a private citizen,
Okay.
as a national.
Did you purchase it?
Yes, I purchased my tag.
Okay.
Yes.
So you purchased it
Yes.
from
Our Moorish American consulate.
the consulate.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. And this is
These are Supreme Court.
documentation of it?
Yes. No,
it's
these are
legal?
these are Supreme Court case laws that lets you know, just in case I have this type of situation.
Mm-hmm.
This is to show you guys that you can't stop me for what he asking me for.
Okay.
I've been driving to Alabama. I've been driving all across Alabama to Mobile to Georgia, and I've never got stopped. I had police officers behind me. They waved me off and everything. But today, this guy wanted to stop me.
Well, if they weren't doing their job, that's their fault, sir. But that is not a state issue tag in the state of Alabama.
Well, Supreme Court laws trump states and federal, and plus Constitution laws trumps it.
1 second for me, please. Hello?
Are you familiar with the Supreme Court statute, Pennsylvania versus Mims?
Well, I'm talking about the right to travel.
Okay, are you
my friend.
familiar with the state Supreme Court statute, Pennsylvania versus Mims?
Related to me.
Okay, Pennsylvania versus Mims is if a police officer asks you to step out of the car, you have to step out of the car on a traffic stop. Okay.
That's only if it's lawful. This is unlawful.
Okay, that is your opinion on the matter.
No, this is what it is. This is unlawful what you're doing. How you can't use one Supreme Court case against another to trump what you're trying to do.
Okay.
So what I'm telling you is that this is Supreme Court cases are right here.
All right, I'll gladly take a look at that.
Please take a look at that.
All right, the right to travel, the right are all absolute rights, and police not void the exercise of those rights. Okay, we're not voiding your exercise of those rights.
You are.
How?
You're stopping me.
Right. We're not voiding you of your rights. We're detaining you on a traffic stop.
But keep going. Keep reading another case law, and see if that applies to you.
Spraggins over there.
I'll get that back to you, sir.
You're not gonna
I don't know if that's an official. If those are official.
see how you try to make up things, and you just gave me a Supreme Court case yourself to
Pennsylvania
benefit you.
Mims.
So you just tried to give me one, but you didn't want to take mine.
Okay, free to Google Pennsylvania versus Mims if you'd like.
Excuse me, you just gave me a Supreme Court case law of yours to benefit you, but these are Supreme Court case laws as well, and you don't want to accept that.
Well, I'm going to treat this like we treat every other traffic stop we ever get out on, okay? State of Alabama, you have to have a tag, registered your vehicle, issued through the state. You have to have a driver's license issued by the state. You have to identify yourself on a traffic stop, a lawful stop, which this is for failure to have a tag on your vehicle. You have to identify yourself. So we need your name, date of birth, social, driver's license number. That's state law. Refusal of that, you will be arrested on those principles, because that's what state law is. We're not going to change anything because you have a print off some papers and a printed off tag. That doesn't change.
It's not a print off tag. I need to see your supervisor, my man.
You got to pull up, but you're
thank you,
get a different
thank
answer
you,
out of
thank
anybody,
you,
sir.
thank you, my man.
I
Thank
promise
you.
You won't get a different answer.
Thank you. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 cops in here, and he's trying to use
Hey man, how you doing, sir?
Are you a supervisor?
You doing okay?
Are you a supervisor?
I'm sorry?
Are you a supervisor?
Yes, I am. Sergeant Sprague.
How you doing, man? What's your name and badge number?
I'm sorry?
What's
Now,
your...
hey, let me ask you this, sir. My name's Sergeant Sprague, okay?
Okay.
We don't do badge numbers, okay?
Okay,
All
okay.
right, do you have any ID on you, man?
I don't have a driver's license.
You don't have a driver's license at all?
No.
Okay.
I have
What do you have? We need to have some type of identification, okay? You need to give us a name or something. You made an infraction, so he's doing his duty, okay? You're driving on a public street, and he's doing his job, okay? So all I need you to do is cooperate, give us the identification, okay? We can go from all that later, okay? Right now we're doing our job.
Okay, that's true, but Sergeant, I haven't committed a crime for that. I haven't committed a crime for that, though.
I'm not saying he committed a crime. He got an infraction. He stopped you, so that's why we need your identification, okay? And we're not going to stay out here all day and negotiate in this heat.
It's not a negotiation.
Well, it's not a negotiation.
I'm just saying, though, I
understand that
allow...
when you operate a car in the state of Alabama and you get pulled over, you have to pull some identification out and let us know who you are, okay? I don't know where you get all this from and all that, but
this is my...
I don't know where you're from and all that.
I'm from here. Okay. I'm an American.
That's
and I live in Tuscaloosa.
We got to have the identification, okay?
Sir, I didn't commit no crime or nothing.
We're not going to adjudicate that here. If you got to complain about the charge of a ticket, whatever, you go to court and handle that at court. You don't handle this on the street. We're not going to adjudicate this out here on the street, okay? It makes no sense.
Okay, but when I'm saying...
Hold tight. If you got a problem with the ticket or whatever he's telling you charged with, you go to court and you handle it appropriately, okay? You're no special than anybody else that's not driving a car here.
I'm not saying that.
You violate the law, we have the right to pull you over.
I didn't violate anything. That's what I'm trying to get you to understand.
That's what we take up for the court. We can't handle that out here. The officer pulls you over for a reason.
Okay, but when I showed to him that you cannot give me a ticket to travel, I'm not driving, I'm traveling.
That's something you can need to take to court once you get your citation. If you want to challenge that in court, we're not going to challenge all that out here. We got a million things to do out here.
Of course.
All right, so you're taking up too much precious resources right now.
I'm not.
It is. Okay, if you got to complain about something, you take it to court, you contest the ticket. If you got to complain about an officer, you take it to me, okay? But we need to take care of our business right now because we got other calls we need to go to.
Okay.
So all I'm asking you to do, present some information and give it to us. Give me your name, driver's license, or give it something. We got to have it, okay? So come on. We don't have all day.
Sir,
That's
listen.
it,
I need somebody higher than you, my
nobody,
man.
You're not getting nobody
I promise
hired.
you don't want to talk to anybody else.
You're not.
This don't make no sense.
That is not legal paper in the state of
Look,
Alabama.
look, yeah.
That's not the
What you
judge-
mean it's not
Look.
legal space
Look,
in the
man.
state of Alabama?
Okay, listen.
This is just, I'm traveling. I'm not, I
understand
didn't
that,
commit
man.
no crime.
Okay.
I'm sure he gave me a Supreme Court law case.
Okay,
I gave him one back.
Okay.
So I'm trying to let him know if he can use that against me, why can I use it?
Okay, look,
And I'm traveling.
We're not going to negotiate all that out here. If you got a problem,
Sir,
with something-
your officer did that to me.
okay.
What?
But what I'm asking you, give me some ID.
Oh my
okay?
God.
Do you not have ID?
I don't have a driver's
You
license.
don't have that? Okay, what's your name? What's your date of birth?
Why would I need to give you all of that?
State law
Because
says
you're
you-
driving in the state of Alabama on the roadway, okay?
You know, I'm gonna give you this.
Make sure your hand.
Wait, no.
Ain't nobody finna.
No.
What is you doing?
It's
What
good.
is you
I
doing?
don't want to be in the car. I don't wanna-
It's good.
Stop. You see how you doing, man?
Yeah.
You see what you just did?
People reach on me.
You don't reach for something in front of all.
I just talked to you and asked and told you I'm finna give you something, man.
Sure. You're escalating. You're making this too much of a house.
You just did that to my daughter.
He ain't done that to your daughter, okay? You making a scene for no reason. Just give us the
Are
ID.
you serious?
Yeah, give us the ID, okay? And we'll be out of here. You're taking too much time. I don't know what's wrong. Why we got to go through all this?
Why did you do that though,
All
man?
right, let's go. If you'd have gave your
Oh my God. Scare my daughter like that. I want everybody name and badge number, man.
Believe me,
I do. This is what you can get right there. That's it. That's it.
Your sovereign license.
That's not a sovereign.
Somebody write it and see what. What's your birthday, man? Give him your date of birth.
Dog, I need.
We're taking too much time.
Dog, I need to talk to somebody higher than you, man. I can't believe y'all just did that, man.
Got nothing on there but a name.
Name, give me
The
your
right-
date of birth, sir. We have to run you. Make sure you're not wanted.
I'm not wanted. What is you talking
We have
about?
to make sure every car we stop, we run them. Okay, you know, special than anybody else.
This is not about being special,
Okay,
man. This is
okay.
about doing the right thing.
All right, can you give him your date of birth, please?
Dog, I can't believe you, man.
Okay.
I can't. I gave you my
Yeah.
my
There's no date of birth on there.
There's no identifying information.
Do you not have a license, sir?
I don't have once I gave my proclamation of judicial notice to the government, I don't have no license.
Okay. Well,
I got switched over to that ID, my right to travel card.
what do you mean, right to travel card? I'm not following.
As a Moorish American, we are not United States citizens. We are Americans.
You're driving in the state of Alabama. You're required to.
I have a right to travel with a private tag.
You have a right to have a driver's license and drive in the state of Alabama.
I'm traveling in the state of Alabama.
Yeah.
I'm not driving. This is not a
You're
commercial
driving. You're in a
vehicle.
car.
This is private.
All right.
I'm traveling.
All right, so here's the deal.
Look, man.
All right, if you don't identify who you are by your information, you
Sir.
be charged with obstruction.
Yeah.
Obstructing?
You
what?
be
I'm not.
placed
How am
under
I
arrest.
getting obstruction
By
for?
withholding your personal information, you're identifying information, you'll be charged with obstruction.
How is that obstruction? I didn't even appeal against nothing that you did,
We
man.
don't have all day.
You'll be charged with
We
resisting
ask
arrest
you to
as well.
comply.
Resisting
Yes,
arrest.
sir. If you refuse to cooperate once you're told you are lawfully under arrest for obstruction due to the fact
How
that
am I being obstructed, though?
Come on, man. We don't
That's
have
what's
all
gonna
day.
happen.
You're wasting too much time. All right, we're trying to cooperate and work with you.
With my
You're
daughter in the car, we finna go get something to eat. And y'all finna arrest me for I just gave you where my card at?
Yeah. We need your data.
Where's my card?
information.
Yeah, we need your.
Where's my
You got
travel
any more
card?
ID in your car wallet? Do you have any other ID?
Where is my travel card?
Do you have any more ID in your car?
Oh my God. Dog. For the sake of my daughter, man, my birthday is 2174.
2174. Yes, sir.
And for what y'all just did, try to pull your gun out on me, man, I need your name and badge number because I will be reporting all of y'all in here. No, sir. No, sir. I need your name and badge number.
Hey, listen.
I will.
Give it to you.
No, I need your name and badge number.
Okay.
I need your name and that's
your
the first thing. That's the first thing that you were supposed to do when you came approach me. I'm asking you
I
under
told you my
oath.
name.
No, you didn't. What's your name and badge number?
It's Corporal Castleberry with the Tuscaloosa Police Department.
What's your badge number?
2184.
You said you don't have one. I need his too, since he's there too.
We have to have them, but they don't. Of course.
Sir, I need that. For what y'all just did, I promise you this is gonna be a lawsuit right here.
Go for it.
I know. And for you to do that to my daughter, for y'all, she's 16, for y'all to do that to my daughter, and we about to go get something to eat over this, this is so silly. Look at all these damn police officers right here over a name and a tag.
To you. We're not treating you any different we treat anybody else.
It's not about that. It's about the law that you're breaking. This is the law. This is the law. This is a law. I have a right to travel. This is the law.
You have a right to have a driver's license if you're driving.
I'm traveling. I'm not driving. This is not a commercial vehicle.
We're not gonna get into semantics, okay?
It's not a semantics, man. I'm traveling.
Okay, driving, traveling, it's all the same thing. When you operate a motor vehicle, okay? Anything?
You guys don't and driver's license is valid.
It's valid? Okay. Cool. So, whatever. Look at Taylor's involvement out. Involvement? Okay. Look at that, brother. All right. Is he doing his thing? Just hold 1 second, man.
Don't worry about it, WAP. You understand?
Never reach into concealed areas during police encounters, as this triggers the legal use of force. Keep hands on the steering wheel and communicate clearly. Personal safety is always more important than arguing over constitutional theories in the field. Coming up next, you will witness an even more shocking situation in Texas, where a man is handcuffed simply for refusing to provide identification despite committing no crime.
Tell me what happened.
No, you need to talk to him. I don't got nothing to say.
Well, that's our job, so we get your
I understand your job.
Okay.
Again, I'm not going to keep repeating myself. Talk to him. He's the one that called you, not me.
So you don't want to tell us what
I'm
happened?
not gonna.
Your
I don't
side
want
of the story?
I don't have a story to tell. I don't tell stories.
Okay.
So
I said
go.
that you cut him off?
I did not cut nobody off. Again, ask him. We're in a fucking drive-thru at McDonald's. It's not that goddamn serious. So,
I
that's all I'm telling you.
I can
And
completely understand
if he wants to
your
make a big
frustration.
deal out of nothing, that's on him. I'm not frustrated.
Yeah.
I don't have a problem. That's why I'm driving away. I didn't.
Okay. Do you have your license on you?
Yeah, but you don't need it.
Yeah,
No, you don't.
we absolutely do,
No,
sir.
no, man.
Ya lo necesitan.
No, you got it messed up.
You are involved in
Nope.
investigation.
I'll go investigate. No, you don't. I didn't do nothing. I didn't commit a
Sir,
crime.
you're absolutely.
Negative.
Yes, absolutely.
That's a negative, man. You're not gonna get it.
Please don't interfere with the
Hey.
investigation because they're going to have to put you in jail.
Take me to jail then.
Well, I
George,
mean, that's the thing. Is
no
we
te
don't want you
bajes.
to
Take me to
jail.
No
jail.
te
I'll sue you.
bajes.
You're violating my rights.
No te bajes.
Hey,
You're interfering with
No
the
te
investigation.
bajes.
there is no investigation.
No
Listen.
te bajes.
Listen.
No te
Listen.
bajes.
Listen.
I understand.
I'll go to jail because you're gonna violate my rights.
We're not
Yeah, you are. My First and my Fourth Amendment
So,
rights.
hold on. Hold
You
on.
understand?
Listen.
Because he's trying to
You're
take me to
getting
jail
upset.
over not
No,
identifying
listen.
myself.
Yes,
Are
because
your
you're
body cam's on?
Absolutely. Absolutely.
I don't see the red light on yours. Is it on?
Yes, sir, it's on.
So
Okay.
listen.
Make sure you got it because I will sue the shit out of you.
Let me explain something.
I will sue the shit out of you guys. There is no crime committed.
Are you gonna let me
There is
explain?
no crime
Are you gonna
committed.
let me explain?
No, because there's no crime
Okay,
committed.
well, give us
You
your
understand?
ID.
I don't need to give you my ID. I didn't do
100%.
nothing. There's no
Okay,
crime
go ahead,
committed. Yep, no problem.
George,
No problem.
really?
Yep.
Are you
sue him.
serious?
Just don't stop recording. We're gonna
get
sue
the
him.
reason for why he's
We're
being
gonna sue him. We're gonna sue him.
arrested?
I need your supervisor.
Interfering with what
I need your
investigation?
supervisor. I need your supervisor. Don't stop recording.
Hey.
No, we do.
Can you
Hey,
hurry
it's
up?
gonna be tight. Can you put your arms a little bit
I
closer?
can't.
Okay.
Can you go double up? Get the supervisor right here. Don't stop recording.
He's on his
Yes,
way.
ma'am. You're violating my rights. I'm going to sue the shit out of both of you. What's your name and badge? No, sir. There's no crime
We
committed.
just need to.
We
So
just
is
need to know what
that a misdemeanor or a felony?
is
Is that a misdemeanor or a
if you
felony?
would just not
Is that a
interfere with the
misdemeanor or a felony?
investigation.
I don't care.
Listen,
There's
listen,
no investigation.
listen.
Your
Yes.
investigation starts there.
Right.
I'm going to sue you. What's your name and badge number for the record?
Hey, it's Officer Carmen, 757.
Yours?
Officer Bailey,
Thank you.
720.
Are you
Because
willing
I'm
to
gonna.
listen to us
I'm,
now?
no, I'm not.
Okay.
I want your supervisor. I don't want to say a damn word to you guys.
Okay.
And I'm going to sue the shit out of the city of Roy City.
Okay.
Not a problem. Not a problem. I got you.
Actually, hold on, wait, let me catch you now. Okay. Want to fix that first?
And then it's and I don't condense. I don't
Can you face that
search
way?
and seizures. Okay, so remember that for the record.
Okay.
I'm
If you
suing
have
the shit
anything
out of you
on
guys.
you,
I've been
you
waiting
have
for
anything
this.
on you,
I don't answer questions.
Okay. You don't have anything on
I don't
you?
answer questions. I don't answer questions.
Okay.
What part of that do you not understand?
Okay. Well, you're not.
I'm gonna sue the shit out of you guys. I've been waiting for this. I watch all these First Amendment videos, and this is what I've been waiting for. I got you, motherfucker. You guys leave me.
All you had to do is
I don't gotta do shit. Go investigate. You don't need my fucking license for what?
identify you as
Look,
being
you don't need to
involved
identify
in
me
that.
for shit. I didn't do nothing. That's not a crime.
We don't know that, sir.
No, there's no crime.
Okay, well,
There's no. What's the crime? What is a crime? What did they call in for?
disturbance.
Disturbance of what kind of disturbance?
His peace, that's it. He's
Well,
just
what?
bugging.
A what? It's verbal? I mean, is that? That's not physical.
That's what we're
There's no crime. I'm trying to.
So you're being overly aggressive, and we're just
No,
trying to
because you
explain
guys,
the
you guys
situation.
don't need my fucking ID. What part of that don't you fucking understand?
Okay.
God damn, you guys are fucking stupider than I thought. I don't want you fucking. I want your goddamn supervisor. You guys are stupid. That man trying to argue with his daughter in his car, and I told him shut the fuck up and back away. That I saw his daughter.
And that's fucking crazy. Why is he still sitting over there all free when he's the one that caused the disturbance?
That's why we're trying to get you side of the story. Okay, listen, I'm gonna explain it. Will you let me explain it to you without you? Huh? I'm not explaining it. I'm explaining it to you. No, I'm not. So whenever there's a call, listen, just listen to me. So you don't
Damn, solo gotta be some fucking bullshit, man.
But why?
Y este también, ¿por qué se ponga fastidioso? I know. Yeah, relax.
It is the way that it is. Okay, so are you gonna let me explain it to you now, or are you gonna argue? And we absolutely are. Okay, so listen. The way it works is there was a disturbance, okay? And so whenever we put it on the disturbance, we ID everybody involved. Okay? And yeah, that is the way it works. That's part of our job.
No, because
We're not gonna listen. We are out here for a disturbance. We're figuring out what the disturbance is.
He caused the disturbance.
That's why we're trying to investigate to figure out. Exactly. And nothing needs to happen.
Tiene que quedar ahí, se acaba de decir ese güey, cabrón. Nosotros qué hicimos,
I'm not gonna sit here and argue with you. Absolutely not. I'm done listening. No, I'm
the one
done.
that called.
I'm
That's
trying
where your
to explain.
investigation started.
And it did start there.
No, it did not. They cut this guy loose.
Hang tight.
Listen, we don't want to take him to jail. We just need him to identify himself. That's it. So whenever we have an investigation, all we do is we gather both parties' IDs, and it's for our notes, okay? It's for our case notes. That's all we do. That's all we wanted was his information. And then whenever you don't give us your ID, right now he's impeding our investigation. We're unable. So you have to identify yourself. That's a law, okay? So that's what I'm trying to explain to him. We just need his ID to identify him. We don't want to have to take him to jail. It's the last thing we want to do.
That's not what we want.
That's it. Is there a way you could talk to him? We don't want to have to take him to jail if we don't have to take him to jail. No? Do y'all want to tell me what happened?
It started with him.
It's not a crime. That's the thing. Is it like you guys arguing?
It
with
started
not a
with
crime?
it started with that man.
Okay. Okay. Exactly.
He's-
so,
he's
I
the
understand.
one.
And I understand. So all we were gonna come do is come and diffuse
Well, I mean,
the
you
situation.
need to talk to him.
Exactly. And we had an officer over there talking to him.
Well, I can't tell you anything else.
We're
He
just trying to
started.
figure out what happened. That's all we're doing is identifying.
Well, he's gonna tell you what happened because he's the one that caused everything.
Okay, so you guys don't your failure to ID because you want us to talk to him, but he's already been talked to.
I mean, he's
That's
the
what I don't
one.
understand.
That's who you need to talk to.
Okay, but he's already been talked to.
Well, I don't know what's going
We're trying to get your side of the story. That's what.
We don't really have a side to tell if he's the one that made the call. He said everything, so whatever he
Okay,
said
so he
happened,
made the
happened.
call. So you tell me why he would have made that call.
That's his issue. Do you see him? He's
He was
doing about 3 or 4 turns while we're just standing in line. That's his issue. So go ahead and get his side of the story.
Yeah,
That's
he's the
completely
one
what
that got all
And you don't want a side of the
aggressive,
story.
We
and
don't need a side of the story because
Okay.
we didn't do anything.
All right.
he's the one that's. I don't know what's wrong with him.
Damn, did it close? Shit.
Don't say nothing.
That's fucking crazy. Why is he in the truck with the fucking...
I know.
Crazy motherfucker
He's the
over
one
here.
that caused everything. He's the one that's being all crazy. Pon el teléfono. Don't worry about it. Just ponle ahí lo que están diciendo.
Violating my rights. I'm suing the city of Roy City. For the record, I hope you got your body cams on. You look good. Can you put this shit out of the way? You can't fucking get out.
Calmado.
Don't stop recording.
Ajá, calmado.
Yeah, because I'm gonna
Calmada,
sue
yes.
you.
Tenemos.
I need incident number, and I need everybody's names here.
Absolutely.
Yes, sir. So why am I in handcuffs? Over here, please, for the record. Why am I in handcuffs?
You're being detained for investigation.
Okay, but you don't detain people in handcuffs.
So
Okay? Because Karen over there called you guys. I heard him see if he's got warrants. I avoided him, okay? This is not the answer. And then this guy right here, Mr. Bailey, demanding my ID for no crime. Investigation starts there. He would have told you the story. That there was no crime committed.
Why is he leaving?
Right?
He's so
Why
aggressive.
is he in handcuffs? No, you don't. Not physically. Not physically. Not like this. Want me to put you in handcuffs of what you did to me? You violated my rights. It's not arguing.
I'm not gonna argue.
Shut the fuck up and get in your car. You're
I'm not gonna
dismissed.
argue.
Get me out of these fucking handcuffs. Sir, get me out of these handcuffs, please.
Okay.
This is not right.
Okay.
I did nothing wrong. It was an argument, that's it. Where it's
Why
done.
did he leave?
what's your person?
You don't need
What
to know
would
that.
you like to
You
be called?
Good citizen.
Okay, good citizen.
Yes, sir.
So here's the deal.
There's no deal. Just explain to me, please. Get me out of these handcuffs. I don't want to be in handcuffs.
When I
Yeah,
take out handcuffs,
deja.
you're not gonna get crazy with me or anything.
I'm not getting crazy, sir.
Déjalo.
I don't get crazy. I don't get crazy. I don't get crazy. This is crazy. What you guys did to me. Look at in front of the whole world, in front of my family. You want me to do that to you guys?
Hold on, sir. Just relax. I
Fucking
gotta get these
stupid, man. Stupid, non-professional people, man. What the fuck you guys dealing with, man?
Yeah.
And I need an incident number, please. And everybody's name that was involved. Even that man, because I'm suing his ass too for calling you guys. Look at that. Look at that. You guys recording that? Mm-hmm. Fucking animals. I'm going to put you in torture cuffs. I need an incident number too.
Here you go.
Stupid ass motherfucker.
You're welcome.
And you're leaving before I leave. I'll sit there all fucking day. You got to dismiss.
You want me to leave?
No,
Yeah.
you're good.
Yeah. Get better at your jobs.
You're good. You can get out of here.
If somebody doesn't give you ID, doesn't mean you put them in fucking handcuffs.
Have a great day.
Yeah, you go fuck yourself.
You need anything from me?
No, sir. I thank you for being professional. Teach these stupid asses something.
All right.
And it's no disrespect to you. But when they come, they got to do an investigation. Look what they did. Look what they did to me.
So on
But they don't need to do that, sir. You understand?
I already.
So I'm just letting you know right now, for the record, I'm suing the shit out of you guys for what they did to me.
Okay.
I'm suing the city. I'm getting a fucking lawyer. I've been watching all these videos of this kind of stuff here, and it was just videos. Now I've been involved in it. This changes the narrative for me personally.
Okay.
All right? Because I know my fucking rights. She just violated my Fourth Amendment right.
Okay.
Okay? Whether you believe it or not.
What?
You have to follow the law.
Sure.
That was feelings enforcement there, not law enforcement.
Okay.
You understand me?
I hear
It's
what
no
you're saying.
disrespect to you or nobody else, but that's feelings enforcement. Because I don't give you my ID. I don't have to give you my ID. I didn't commit no crime. That's why I asked her, is that a misdemeanor or a felony? Go investigate with him and then determine what happened, just like you just did, right? If they would have done that, we wouldn't be in this situation. So you guys just opened this kind of worms for the city of Roy City. Because you're going to put money in my fucking pocket. I didn't want to do this shit, but you guys did this shit over a stupid ass drive-thru at a McDonald's. But I don't want to waste your time, and I appreciate it.
Do you
Thank
have
you.
any other questions?
No, sir. I got what I need right here. Actually, I need their numbers. I mean, their names,
You got it
and their
right
badge
here.
numbers. Please.
You mind if I write on
No,
your
sir.
car?
Go ahead.
I'm going to have a further discussion with him back in PD about what the law is. Now, just for your information, we did just have a legislative update. The law did change on failed ID. They moved it from traffic code, and it said in traffic code, on a traffic stop, you have to present your driver's license upon request of a magistrate, judge myself and officer at traffic stop. Then it moved over to the penal code to failed ID, where it says if they're a driver of a motor vehicle. So
realistically, I think the verbiage is a little off from the legislative update. I know the female officer, she just came over from Oklahoma. She has not had the legislative update in Texas yet. So the verbiage is off where it says if it's upon request in their driver motor vehicle. Realistically, what I believe that applies to is a traffic stop.
Yeah.
It doesn't say that now, but that's what I told them realistically, and then it is a ticket. Technically, can you be arrested for a Class C?
For a traffic stop.
For a Class C misdemeanor, you can. It doesn't say traffic stop anymore. I'm sure that's what the legislature is trying to get at, but the problem is they don't do this job, so they sometimes miss verbiage.
Gotcha.
And so that happened.
All right.
So I discussed with them when you have to ID. Now, if you were lawfully under arrest, or if you are alleged to have committed an offense, not just being involved in disturbance, but say he said he punched me in the face. Well, then you would be this suspect in an alleged offense. Then you would have to identify yourself per failed ID statute, which I believe is 3802.
But you investigated already. See the difference?
So,
right?
Yes, and now granted, what we do is try to speak with both parties at the same time. You are 100% right on it is not a crime to not identify yourself if you are just being detained. If you are lawfully under arrest, then you do, then it's Class E. If you lie, it's Class B, and if you lie and you're wanted for any warrant, then it is a Class A.
All right, I got a long trip ahead of me, sir.
I got you. I'm going to talk with all of them back at the PD and discuss everything that happened here.
Yeah, you need to, because they're going to keep the city in trouble here.
I will.
Appreciate you. Thank you. Have a good day.
Where are y'all going? Drive today?
Yeah, to my property in DeKalb. We just stopped to get coffee and.
Are you going to go hunting?
If I got my bow, if I get a chance.
Opening day.
Yeah. Appreciate it.
In Texas, you are only required to provide identification when lawfully arrested. However, always maintain a calm demeanor and request a supervisor immediately if you feel your rights are being violated. Knowledge is your shield of protection against police ego. Coming up next is a high-stakes confrontation right at a private doorstep as police attempt to force personal information unlawfully under the guise of an unreasonable trespass warning.
How can I help you?
Good morning, you Toby?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I was told you're getting a trespass warning
For what?
For City Hall.
For what?
It was just my sergeant told me that you're doing it.
From who?
From Jacksonville Police Department.
Is it court ordered?
No, it's a trespass warning.
For what?
Saying that you can't go back to Jacksonville City Hall.
For why?
I don't know the reason why. They just told me to come by and give you a trespass.
Okay,
if you'd like to talk to my sergeant about it, you can.
No, I want a court ordered from the judge.
That's not how trespass warnings work.
I haven't done anything.
Okay, so you can either refuse to sign it or you can sign it. Either way, you're being
I'm not
trespassed.
signing anything because
Okay,
I haven't
so
done anything.
I'm writing down refuse then.
Refuse for.
Okay, what's your date of birth?
What's it matter?
I need your date of birth.
You don't need to have it.
345. How you know using it? I don't know why you're being difficult about
Because
it.
y'all harass me.
It's not harassment.
Yes, it is. I haven't done anything. What have I done?
Have you gone to City Hall recently?
Nope.
No?
Nope.
Well, I don't know why. They
I don't either.
You gotta be
I don't either.
trespassed.
It's got to be court ordered or something.
No, that's not how trespass warnings work.
I haven't done anything. I want to know what I've done.
You know what? Here, let me call my sergeant.
Call
Let
your
me find
sergeant.
out, 'cause
Call your sergeant.
He's the one saying that you got to be trespassed.
I haven't done anything. Call him.
Okay, we'll find out.
We'll find out.
So you don't want to give me your date of birth.
Nope.
You understand? You have to identify yourself. And say
No, I
that,
don't.
so.
No, I don't.
For a
Am I
trespass
operating a vehicle?
That's not how that works.
Yes, it does. It's
All
called stop and identify.
No.
Yes, it is.
Arkansas is
Get,
man's
yeah,
right
yeah,
to
whatever,
stay.
whatever.
345, 315.
You come to my house and ask me my date of birth.
I'm doing a trespass warning.
I ain't done anything. I haven't done anything to warrant trespass.
Look, I don't know the situation
Exactly.
at City Hall.
Then why are you harassing me?
Because I'm not harassing you.
Yeah, you
I'm
are.
doing my job.
You're harassing
You
me.
need to be trespassed from City Hall.
I haven't done anything.
It doesn't mean you're going to jail. All
I know I'm not going to jail. I haven't done anything to go to jail.
Okay, well, if you don't identify yourself, there's a strong possibility you will go to jail.
No, I won't. No, I won't. I'm not operating a vehicle.
That's not how that works.
Yes, it does.
No,
Am I loitering?
No,
Am I being
you're not
detained?
Yes, you're detained right now. Because
No, I'm not being
doing a
detained.
Yes, you are.
No,
I
whatever.
have to complete this trespass warning.
I'm trespassing right here on my property.
No, you're being trespassed from City Hall.
I ain't done
Municipal
anything.
Drive.
Get your sergeant. That's fine.
He's on his way.
Good.
Okay.
It's harassment.
It's not harassment.
Yes, it is.
It's not. I'm here for a lawful reason.
I ain't done anything.
Obviously, you did something at City Hall.
I haven't done one thing.
That makes them want you trespass.
I haven't done one thing.
Okay.
Done one thing. That's for the people. You don't know what's going on. See, the city's about to be sued big time.
Okay.
And that's why I'm recording you.
That's between you and them. I'm just here because
That's
I was
between-
told to come give you a
And it's
trespass
wrong.
warrant.
I ain't done anything.
Okay. Well, then, if you want to take them to court on that, that's all. That's
Oh,
no
yeah.
power to you.
That's good.
But I received a call saying I need to come here
That's
and
fine.
give you a trespass.
That's
warrant.
fine.
That's why I just need some information.
You know why they don't want to go to City Hall? Because they don't want council to know what's going on.
They don't want the council to know what's going on?
That's right. That's why they come on Thursday.
Are you on the city council?
No, I'm not.
Okay.
But I've done everything. I've talked to the city attorney and everybody.
So you trying
I talked to
figure
Miss
out-
Friedman, everyone. See, I used to work for City of Jacksonville.
Okay.
Okay. And what they're doing is illegal. The garbage company.
Okay.
What
So
they're doing is
you're trying to
they're
get
dumping
information on it.
they're dumping illegal. They're going to the animal control and they're picking up pets and they're dumping them at the landfill. And I refuse to do that. And they let me go for no reason. They didn't tell me why. That's why I haven't done anything.
And so now that's why they want you trespassing City Hall?
Exactly.
Okay.
That's
See,
right.
I didn't know any of that.
Right.
All I got was a call saying, hey, show up to this address. He needs to be trespassed from City Hall.
That's fine.
You see what I'm saying? But
I ain't done anything. I've never been detained. I got a clean record.
In order to do that, though, I just need to fill out your name, sex.
And I've been
race,
advised by
date of
attorney
birth.
not to sign anything.
You don't need to sign it.
You just said I had to sign it.
You can either sign it or you can refuse to sign it.
See,
either way,
I'm not signing anything.
Okay, so you're refusing to sign it.
Exactly.
You're still being.
I don't have to sign anything.
Okay, but you're still.
Unless that comes from let it come from the judge.
The trespass does not need to come from the judge.
Well, we'll see.
Okay. All right. So.
And so, by the way, exactly what I'm trying to tell you is this: I don't have to show you no identification. Am I loitering? Am I loitering right now?
I need your identification to fill out.
Am I loitering?
You're not loitering.
Am I being detained?
You for the purpose
right
of
now?
this right now.
No. That ain't how it works. That ain't how it works. I know the law, sir.
Okay.
I know the law.
Sergeant's on the way.
That's good. That's good. Let's waste everybody's time right now. Waste all taxpayers' money right now. That's fine.
Okay.
Protect and serve. See, I used to back the blue. This is why people give up on y'all. Y'all harass.
Okay.
You know, citizens are first.
That's your opinion.
It's right. It's my right. It's the Constitution.
Okay. I mean, if you just give me information, I can be on my way.
I'm not giving you no information. They got all my information that want to be there, right?
I've never been out with you. I don't know who you are.
Exactly. You don't need to be. You don't need to know who I am either. I ain't done anything.
Okay. Well, obviously, they don't want you to trespass from city.
That's fine.
So.
That's fine. This is harassment. This is. It's harassment, man. I ain't doing nothing wrong. You come to my house. They don't want me to go to City Hall. I work for the city of Jacksonville. What they do is wrong, and they know they're about to get slammed. No, I got fired for no reason. They didn't tell me why. I said I refuse to go back to the animal shelter and dump pets at landfill, which is against the law. Take them out of the freezer in the same truck that picks up all these trash cans. All these trash cans will have to be replaced. Those 3 trucks, white trucks, they're going to have to be replaced. It's going to be shut down.
Okay.
Miss Friedman knows.
Okay.
The city attorney.
That's good. All right, so here's the sergeant.
Good. All right. A whole slew here. 1, 2, 3. Hey Ben, how you doing?
Good, Sergeant Harness.
Nice to meet you. We didn't have anything. Y'all came to me.
I was told you wanted to speak to a supervisor.
That's right.
I'm a sergeant.
Well, I said no. He said he's gonna call you. I didn't say call your sergeant or your field officer. He
Okay.
called you.
Okay. Well, you did ask for the sergeant to come.
I didn't say nothing about sergeant. You said if I didn't sign a piece of paper, your sergeant would come out here. And I said okay.
That's not what
We can
I want.
rewind and say I got it all recorded.
I need some information from you so I can complete this form and so we can go on about our day.
You got all the information. I work for the city of
I don't know
Jacksonville.
your date of birth.
Ask Charlotte. She'll tell you.
Okay.
At
I'm
HR.
asking you right now.
Ask Charlotte. She'll tell you. I haven't done anything wrong. I have not done one thing wrong.
Nobody said you done anything wrong.
Exactly. So why are you wasting my time? Wasting y'all's time. I haven't done anything.
We were asked to come out here and serve you with a sheet of paper that says you cannot come back to the city hall.
I haven't done
That is
anything.
part of our job. That is what we do.
I'm not signing anything. I haven't done anything wrong.
Nobody said you had done anything wrong.
Then why are y'all here?
Because somebody asked us to trespass you from.
Get a court order and get that from the judge.
We don't need a court order to trespass you.
Yes,
from.
you do.
No, we don't.
Okay, that's fine. I'm not signing anything though. I've been advised by my attorney and Miss Friedman as well, your city attorney.
And she's the one that sent us over here.
She said she did not. I can show you the text.
All right. So, completing 60. He's being advised he is not to step foot on municipal, number 1 Municipal Drive, City Hall property.
If he does, he will be arrested. Do you understand?
That's fine. I haven't done anything. But you know why? You know
I'm
why?
telling you.
Because
if you step foot at City Hall.
I don't want to go to City
you'll
Hall.
Be arrested,
I don't want to
okay?
go to City Hall.
All
But I
right.
want to know why I can't go to City Hall. What have I done?
I don't know.
Well, I don't even know why.
It's not our job to know why they don't want you there.
Because
it's our job to tell
because
you.
they don't want to go to the council meeting. That's why.
They don't want you there. Okay. You're not
I haven't
allowed
done
to go.
anything. I haven't done anything.
Okay. It's not for us. That's not our job to decide what you have and haven't done.
That's fine.
Our job is to tell you you're not welcome
All right.
back at City Hall.
I don't want to go back to City Hall.
Okay.
Channel 7's gonna love y'all.
Will you sign this form?
I'm not
saying
signing
you
anything. I'm not signing anything.
All you're doing is saying you understand. You
I'm
cannot
not
go
signing
back
anything. I can't write my hand's messed up. I'm right-handed.
there. Okay.
All right.
Complete a 60, saying he was told verbally by us not to go back, and give him the report number if he wants to.
For no disclosed reason whatsoever.
You want the report number?
I don't want anything. I don't want anything.
Okay.
I got everything right here on the camera. Y'all have a great day. We appreciate y'all services. Stay safe. Back to blue. Back to blue.
Across all three cases, we witness a systemic error. Officers frequently confuse the authority to detain for investigation with the power to compel identification. Under the U.S. Constitution, serving an administrative notice or a mere verbal argument does not automatically strip away your right to privacy. Officers are not permitted to use vague charges like obstruction of government operations to coerce citizens into surrendering their Fourth Amendment rights without specific evidence of a crime. The similarities between Alabama, Texas, and Arkansas reveal a significant gap in officer training regarding civil rights. This is why police accountability is vital to protecting a free society. When officers act based on personal emotions rather than objective legal standards, public trust erodes. Filming and questioning are not acts of resistance. They are necessary checks and balances to ensure that the sword of law enforcement is never placed above the shield of the Constitution. We conclude with a reminder from constitutional attorney Robert Barnes. Your rights do not depend on a policeman's permission. They exist to limit that very policeman's power. The courage to say no when the law is on your side is the first step in ensuring that liberty remains more than just ink on paper. Stay vigilant, keep filming, and most importantly, stay informed. Follow ID Refusal to stay updated on how to protect yourself.